Hey puddings! Today the video is the makeup tutorial for my Harley Quinn Night Club cosplay from Suicide Squad movie. That's the part 1, cause soon here at the channel there will be the part 2 where I show you all about the outfit and the hairstyle too. That's one of my favorite cosplays, so I'm super excited to try it. So come on board to play with me, squad! It's very important for a porcelain doll skin to moisturize your face. I love this one with sun protect too. The primer makes our makeup during for a long time and it blur all the imperfections we hate, right puddins? My puddins squad already know, but I always apply my foundation with a white artistic makeup for my Harley Quinn cosplay for her flawless pale skin. For that, I'm using this kind of cat's tongue brush. I love to set the makeup with talc. For now, my eyebrow pen and the non-colored mascara as well. Now I'm gonna be doing the eyeshadows. That's a very glam vibe, so let's to put on at the inside corner a gold eyeshadow. By the side, apply the pink eyeshadow with a fluffy brush or if your fingers too. Blue tie. With a black eyeshadow, mine has the shimmer inside. We need to try a cat eyes. I prefer a brush like that. Apply the black liquid eyeliner on top and the black eyeliner pencil closing to the bottom lashes. Mascara time! That's a makeup for go out for a nightclub, so full of sparkle is a must-have. Highlighter, I love this one. Let's return with the black liquid eyeliner, but now to draw the tattoos. To finish this fantabulous makeup, the red lipstick. That's all, puddings! Do you like this makeup tutorial? Tell me here below in the comments, okay guys? And if you want to be part of my puddings squad, don't forget to subscribe here to the channel and like the videos. Peace out, puddings!